Molly Robotic Kitchen. A game-changing step into the future of cooking at home, Molly brings you the world's first fully robotic kitchen. The Molly Robotic Kitchen allows you to save time, free up your day from routine cooking, plan and adapt your menu according to different diets and lifestyles, enjoy international cuisine anytime, control calories and get cooking tips and recipes from chefs around the world. Not only does the robot cook complete meals, it tells you when ingredients need replacing, suggests dishes based on the items you have in stock, learns what you like and even cleans up surfaces after itself. Our vision will turn your knowledge about cooking and nutrition upside down. EDAG CityBots are multifunctional, autonomous and swarm intelligent robot vehicles. Due to the large number of possible applications, which can be realized with different trailer and tool modules, the EDAG CityBot is effectively utilized to capacity and works around the clock in urban space. With the EDAG CityBot, EDAG delivers an intelligent statement for sustainable, holistic mobility, traffic flow planning, groundbreaking urban development and new business cases. The futuristic design of the EDAG CityBot vehicles is concise and unique in every respect and comprehensively reflects the highly progressive approach to form and functionality. The autonomous EDAG CityBot concept enables the uninterrupted use of a wide range of driving services around the clock. A wide variety of functional modules are attached to a drive robot for the ocean. With 200 square meters of solar panels, a hybrid propulsion package and low volume to length hull, the Kiwa concept reimagines sustainable seafaring according to Burrow. Other features include 175 square meters of storage space for guest toys and tenders, including 2 guest tenders of 12 meters and 7 meters and 2 crew tenders of 7 meters. The helipad forward can accommodate a H-145 helicopter. Redis Electric. Redis is a concept electric folding cargo trike that provides you with a multipurpose vehicle. We know that cargo bike can be very useful when you need to haul some goods of your own. The storage space is large enough to carry your groceries, pets, and perhaps children. Started when the designer lifting feature. It is practical to ride in a city environment yet can expand its cargo space to carry your goods when needed. Balma BIT Slides. Balma's take on the casual slide is just as high impact as you'd expect. This pair takes the style to another level, boasting a luxe quilted leather fabrication and a narrow pointed toe. They're marked with the signature logo at the sides and set on a cloud-like platformed rubber sole, making this futuristic silhouette unique and practical all at once. It was the sculptural shapes of Balma's first collection in 1945 that made it central to New French style. Reflecting these roots, these BIT Sabot slides have quilted leather uppers and are set on bold. The striking 3-seater combines a carbon fiber occupant cell with an innovative 3-cylinder engine from partner firm 3-Valve. This means it weighs just 700 kilograms while producing 690 brake horsepower, giving it a 1-to-1 power-to-weight ratio. Inside, the RA has the same 3-seat layout as the McLaren Speedtail, with a central driving position for optimum control and visibility and a passenger seat behind on either side. Railway motorcycle. The railway motorcycle has wings on both sides that latch on the rails when lowered. The design team believes their concept can run on the track at high speed and stably, carrying the railway maintenance workers to the steering control lever, and the power source comes from the internal battery. Lumos Ultra Helmet. Wearing a light on your helmet high up on your head has several benefits. First, it allows you to be seen better by motorists on the road. You are less likely to be missed by parked cars or other things on the road. Second, the illumination from your helmet allows motorists to see where you're looking much better, making it easier for them to approach you. Chips on board (COB) is a method of LED construction that has a number of advantages over more conventional technologies. It allows for a more compact footprint while delivering a higher intensity of light, which means you'll be seen from a greater distance. It also results in a more even light beam. Stove and sink. The trailer also has a panoramic roof and large windows to let in natural light. The trailer also has insulated walls and a Truma 4CP+ heating system for use in cold weather. For off-roading capability, the Raptor has 31-inch BF Goodrich tires, and you can add an optional air suspension. The trailer shows a fair amount of articulation in the display videos. The trailer weighs 2,778 pounds, allowing it to be towed by a crossover like the Subaru Outback Wilderness. Mojo Eye Lens. Mojo Lens, smallest and densest display ever created for dynamic content. Mojo Vision has developed custom application-specific integrated circuit ASIC designs for Mojo Lens that incorporate a 5 GHz radio and ARM Core M0 processor that transmits sensor data off the lens and stream augmented reality AR content to the micro-LED display. Mojo Lens has a custom configured accelerometer, gyroscope, and magnetometer that continuously track eye movements so that AR imagery is held still as the eyes move. Sakizu. This forklift can run sideways or diagonally without twisting and rotates 360 degrees. It can be used in warehouses, where the space is very limited. Fulcrum Power Pod. Fulcrum Engines have recently unveiled their Power Pod. It's a pod harness with a motor, intended for free flyers to launch and climb out, then switch off. The motor is a duct fan rather than a traditional paramotor. It is much smaller in diameter than a paramotor propeller 0.5 m compared to 1.1-1.4 m, so it's less cumbersome on the ground and tucks away behind the pilot's back, making it more aerodynamic. The Power Pod is aimed at free flyers rather than paramotorists. It eliminates the need for a hill or tow to launch from, and means you can launch in any wind direction. It generates 50 kilograms thrust, which the company say is plenty for an easy takeoff and a climb rate of 1.7 to 1.8 meters per second for an 82 kilograms pilot flying